Bonjour everybody. Today I am going to be making a voting video. And no, I am not making a character voting right now. I'm just making this video because in the Daily Logic show. Hold on a minute. Forget what you just saw there. In season Essen of episode yeah, it was episode 3. Scat tried to Fire Alarm tried to put Scat and him up for vote to see who actually better, but then
42 grams of high-quality protein to help you recover and build lean muscle.
Purdue University Global. Apply now at purdueglobal.edu.
this is the part.
That's all that I said. Hey, babe, want to watch the presidential election? And then she said, who's in the ring? Ugh, why does it smell so bad in here? What is this? This is a babes only zone. So scram. Well, maybe the babes prefer me. Let's put it to a vote. Viewers. Oh, no, wait. Yeah, no, we're not doing this.
Yep, that's the part. Yeah, and Fire Alarm. So since it never happened, I want to help it happen. So which one of these two do you think is better? I made this poll 3 days ago. It doesn't feel like it was 3 days ago, but we'll make it count. So yeah, vote for which one of these two do you think is better. Voting doesn't end. Unless if I make the results. Well, bye.